So first, answer this question. Ritan, your question is, what is happening here and why was I so annoyed? Now, look into this once again.
Mr. Varshan, who is the winner?
Sir, I think,
So,
sir, but I think Team Kalpika, because, what I'm doing it, sir? Because everyone gave up this, sir, and final match, according to your sir, first batting is.
So Ritan, tell me what's going on here, and after that I will ask a couple of questions. Ritan,
sure, sir.
சொல்றா கேட்டிருக்கேன்ல.
Sir, sir, I don't remember correctly, sir.
Take your time. Sibi Adityan, you're raising your hand and you can speak now.
Sir, on that day we played that hanging ball, sir. That is, sir.
Correct. Okay, I'll give you 5 marks. Anything else you want to add?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So Sibi Adityan gets 5 marks because he's not spoken, so I'm giving him 5. Vishnupriya?
Sir, I remember the teams, sir. There were 2 teams, Team Kalpita and Team Dakshinana, sir. Yes, sir.
நான் கேட்கிற கேள்விக்கு பதில் சொல்லு. கிரணை நான் எதுக்காக திட்டுறேன்? டீம்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து இட்ஸ் வெரி ஆப்வியஸ். வீடியோ பார்த்தா தெரியாதா? Just why Kiran has been scolded and அதை சொல்லு, அதுக்கப்புறம் we'll move on.
Sir, I think it's because Kiran was not involved, sir. Only the direct position members were involved and Kiran was not involved that day. So I think because of that you scolded, sir.
Sure, okay, I'll come back to you. Kalpita?
Sir, Kiran was a panel member, sir, and she was administering things to us, sir. I think there was a miscalculation, sir. She said round 1 score in the round 2, I guess, sir, and that's why you have blasted her, sir. And also you said that this is not the first time Kiran, as far as I have known, when I put all the online members as a panel member, this is what is happening, you said that.
Okay, correct. Yes, I'll come back to you. Brinda?
Sir, actually the particular day you mentioned was I was absent, sir. But still, sir, actually that time I came in between, sir. So that time actually it was when I was came, sir. Actually it was compensating. So Mitra was compensating one ball for us, sir. So one round for us, sir. And also, sir, that time actually I fall down, sir. So and I came to the session, sir. So you gave me bonus, sir. So that was actually on Friday, sir. Actually I was coming for 3 days, sir. Actually it's concentration and reduction games, sir. So that time I got bonus, sir. But exactly what is up?
Yeah.
Sir,
Got it. Dakshina, I'm coming to you as the
yes,
last
sir.
person. You.
Sir, yes, sir. With Prabhu Aditya, Kiran were panel members, sir. So at that time, Mirdu Basneka was also belonging to online format, sir. So you gave five criteria, sir: teamwork, motivation, then agility, sir. I don't remember the other 2, sir. And the scores, sir. So for the first 1 round, Kiran and everyone were doing well, sir. But from the second round, you told several minus, sir. And you also gave one golden, I think its name is golden coin, sir. That is the best performer of the team would get that, sir. I think once Varshanana got it, sir. She did not note down these properly, sir. And finally, you itself took the responsibility. Yes, sir. You yourself took the responsibility of declaring the winner, sir.
Taken. Good job. Dakshin, the conversation, you said you are remembering vividly.
Yes, sir. Sir, on that exact moment where you asked the question, sir, Kiran was asking everyone how many matches did Team Kalpita win, sir. I was also in Team Kalpita, sir. So Vedavarshan and Nabulan pointed out the number, sir, which was 3. And when you scolded, I had typed that already in the chat. Idan avangkitta first time, sir, because initially, as Mitra and Kalpita mentioned, she had got she was roasted a lot of times, sir. And in this moment, she was asking how many matches did we win, sir. So at that point of time, you got angry and you said 3 marks, sir. I mean, 3 matches were won by us, sir.
Correct. Unfortunately, Ritan earns a minus here, 2 marks penalty because he said pass, and Mitra gets 2 points. Kalpita gets 2 points. Dakshin Siddharth gets 2 points. Brinda gets 2 points. Vishnupriya tried answered, but it was not correct, but still Vishnupriya can be given 1 point. So that's how it is. Ladies and
Sir,
gentlemen.
can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Sir, I would like to add one more point, sir. Just now I got it, sir. Sir, in that game only you introduce appreciation, sir, like appreciation for agility, sir. So actually, you appreciated each and everyone by giving one for agility and for good leadership, sir, and good team players, sir. You gave one appreciation in that game only, sir.
Right, that's good. Correct. But அது வந்து என்ன லேர்ன் பண்ணோம், இவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து என்ன இம்ப்ரெஷன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கிரைட்டீரியா, ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் கிரைட்டீரியா வந்து இந்த பொலிசுகள்லாம் வந்துட்டு இருந்தப்போ இன்வால்வ் பண்ணுது. நிதின், சந்தன், நிதிகா, சந்தன், ரித்தத்யா. ஸோ அந்த டோக்கன்ஸ் வந்து இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி. So that is why Vishnupriya was given 2 points as she put in the chat. Boys and girls, Vishnupriya is the 5th person to reach the penalty. 650.
Super, congratulations. Sir, may I add one more thing?
Yeah.
Sir, you had some 4 portfolios, 3 portfolios, sir, for it. The first one was emotional factor, sir, and the second one was team motivation, sir, and the third one was teamwork, sir. According to that only you gave marks, sir.
Right. I understand. Good job. So,
Good job, Vishnupriya.
5 members have reached the pinnacle of 650. First was Mitra, second was Dakshin, third was Kalpita, fourth was Brinda, and now 5th is Vishnupriya. Now, Ritan Nitish has earned a penalty. Now let's go back to the hot chair of Ritan Nitish. Hot chair question. Next question for Ritan Nitish is, when was the last time we played a skit and we discontinued the skit? We did not continue the skit. Which skit was it? And you were also a part of it.
Sir, it was the time everyone have to make a skit on their own, sir. And myself and Prabhu joined together and we made a skit, sir. And it was like the mysterious earth, sir. And we didn't use everything correctly, sir. And actually, you told that it has to be only the normal names, Indian names, sir. But we put the American names mostly, sir. And we took only 2 parts of it. I mean, 2 scenes, sir. And after that, you told we no need the skit. We can do something else, and you start the skit, sir. And you explained what you didn't continue the skit, sir.
The minus has been redeemed and 5 marks has been given to Ritan.
Very well done.
Super.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very well
Thank
done,
you.
Ritan.
Thank you.
Therefore, Vishnupriya and Dakshin Siddharth's answers are not necessary now. Now let's move on to the next hot chair question for Ritan Nitish. Well, Ritan, you were part of the February sessions. Now the question is going towards the February sessions. Well, February session is a very close set of sessions to my heart because I was shelterless. This hall was getting renovated and we were spending the entire session downstairs in that kind of, not very good looking car shed. Unlike now, I have renovated everything over there, but before that it was not very good looking, and you people extraordinarily cooperated with me and we did a good job. We all did a good job, work and play model. February 1st to February 27th, 27 days, we had only that particular shelter. First 6 days we were inside my room, my residence hall, but outside. After that, from the 8th day till 27th, we were outside. February எல்லாத்துலயுமே நீ பார்ட்டா இருந்ததுனால, tell me name the activities that happened only in the month of February. Dakshin was not even part of it. Vishnupriya was not even part of it. So bonus ku try பண்றதாக இருந்தால் மித்ரா ட்ரை பண்ணலாம், கல்பிதா ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். Okay, Mitra and Kalpita have volunteered, but அவங்களுடைய volunteer chanceக்கு போ. டேய் நீ அன்னைக்கு வரவே இல்லை, உனக்கு
I watched videos. Some of the videos I watched. So as far as I remember, I'll try to say.
சரி பாப்போம். Okay, Ritin.
Sir, can I just say the incident which I remember, sir?
சொல்லு, பாதி மார்க்காவது கிடைக்குன்னு பாப்போம்.
Sir, so the day I came, sir, you told I have to make a presentation, a small presentation, sir. So at that time, I did a presentation, sir, and after that, you appreciated me, sir. And after that, sir, I was in a game captain, sir. Myself and Anas were in a opposite team, sir, and it was like Ashwathaman was also part of the Anas's team, sir, and I actually called him for an like. I actually went, sir, and Kalpita Akka have to defend the goal. It was actually football, sir, but I asked the permission to you, and I asked Ashwathaman to become the goalkeeper, sir. And you told you told one thing, and you made Ashwathaman as the goalkeeper, sir. But I didn't score the goal, sir. And it's the main things I remember, sir.
These are all part of one particular activity. நான் கேட்டது total list of activities. Maybe I can give you 2 marks. But Mridubhashini, Dakshin Siddharth, Kalpita, and Mitra have raised their hands. Since Mridubhashini can go first.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I remember the activity of the sports icon timeline, sir, where the Amritesh and Althea were present there, sir, and memory games we played, and soccer, sir.
Okay, you gather points. 2 points for that.
Thank you, sir.
Kalpita.
Sir, since it was renovation happened instead on February, it was mostly sports games, sir, where half-east versus half-east took place. Rithajiya versus Siddhi, where Siddhi lost, that he even mentioned this yesterday, sir. And Ritan versus Anas also took place, sir. And the sports icon timeline, sir, it was when Mridubhashini joined our team, sir, and Amritesh and Aditya were also part of this, sir. And it was when we introduced few places, sir, like the locations, sir. Near cycle we had one place, and Austria, like that we had, sir. We were playing football, sir, and also in February I made one presentation after Vipin made, sir.
Correct. So Kalpita gathers 2 points. Fine. That's a vivid memory. Now, Dakshin.
Sir, I remember, sir, like I was on a break at that time, sir, and the first activity of February was mime and mouse, sir. I saw the task sheet, sir. And then there were also I saw the videos as well, sir. It included various things like presentations, question answers, and physical activities as well, sir. And sports icons timeline was another activity which I remember, sir. And then there were like some presentations, sir. You gave the information about CRS exclusively in this month, sir. And even I made a presentation, sir. You gave me a topic, how to stop living in the past, sir. And since I had a couple of free days during my exams, I came and I made a presentation on how to stop living in your past, sir.
Okay, granted. Yeah, Mitra, addition.
Sir, February had an activity, the first ever activity that was started on 1st Feb, sir. And it is one of the longest activity that we had in MSc institutions, which went for 8 days, sir. That is initially named as the greatest Indian dreams, sir. And Vedashanna, myself, Kalpita,
Mime and mouse.
Sir, that was the second activity, sir. In that, Vedashanna and Nagalanna named themselves as the surname was Brito, sir. Myself and Kalpita, Kriti Mandana and Smriti Mandana, sir. Siddhi was also part, sir. The second, once Kalpita told that Amritesh and Aditya was present, sir, I got this mime and mouse, sir. And when I was in the native place, sir, there were several activities, sir, between Siddhi and Ritadyaksha sir, Nitika and Chandan sir, Ritan Nitish and Anas sir, and I also did a presentation on if we are not getting appreciations, how should we react, sir?
Okay. Granted for you.
Thank you, sir.
So Mitra, Kalpita, Dakshin, Siddharth gather points. Mridubhashini gathers points, and Ritan also gathers points. Last question for Ritan's Vishnupriya. Yes.
Sir, I just came for one day in February, sir. February 27th, sir. That was an award day, sir. So at that day, there was an activity between Team Ritadya and Team Sibi, sir. And instead of Ritadya, Kalpita was the leader, sir, as Ritadya came late, sir.
Okay. I'll give 1 point for that remembrance that you have.
Thank you, sir.
Provided award for that greatest Indian
Teams.
Hariharan has started feeling.
Yeah. Last question for Ritan's heart chair system. And we are coming to the close of the session as well by Sanjay asking a couple of questions. Now, Ritan, the last question for you. Yeah, you did well in heart chair, I should say. The last question is, you were given the huge responsibility of taking care of the tiny little puts, and you literally had a lot of trouble by doing that. In which activity you had a lot of trouble in handling the little kids, and you were trying to do some justice, and were you successful or were you unsuccessful?
Sir, you're saying that I was in their team or in an opponent team, sir?
You were in the team. You were in the team in which the tiny little kids were more in majority, and you had a little bit of a trouble in controlling them, and you were, you did play the activity full. It was in your regular tenure, not during the break. You were coming every day. So,
Sir, I can tell the teammates, sir, myself, sir, Anas, sir, Hafid and Hafid, Chandan, sir, Nitika was in our opponent team, sir, and Sibi, sir.
Ritadya. Nitika and Sibi were in the opposite team. Ritadya, Hafid, Anas, Chandan were in your team.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What was the problem, and was it successful or unsuccessful? Which team won that particular contest?
Sir, actually the opponent team won the contest, sir. It was actually, I think it was on football game, sir. We didn't do it correctly, sir, and we lost the game, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it was a panel channel activity, sir, where myself and Kalpitaka were the panel members, sir. It was between Team Ashwathaman and Team Dhanush, sir. It was like the third or the fourth day since Dhanush joined, sir. Dhanush was part of Ritan's team, sir. We asked you, and you particularly told that Ashwathaman and Dhanush should be opposite because they belong to the same grade, sir. So that was the activity, sir. That
Good.
was a skit, sir.
Right answer. Right answer.
Thank you, sir.
Dakshin, anything to add?
Yes, sir. I have a couple of things to add, sir. Sir, that day was March 8th, sir. I was returning after a break, sir, from exams, and I came late on that day, sir. And they had already started the activity, sir. When I came, only team talk was going on, sir. And it was like any person can make any presentation of his or her choice, sir. And I made a presentation on a poem called Cold Within, sir. And I said the learnings out of it, sir. That was the first round, sir. And target simulated shooting game was the second round, sir.
Ritan gets 2 points. Mitra gets 2 points. No, Ritan gets 3 points. Mitra 2 and Dakshin 2. Yes, Aswatthama.
Sir, I remember some presentations made by someone, sir. Made by some people, sir. In my team, sir. Shall I say it, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, Nitika made a puma, sir. Sir, Sibi made dog bag, sir. Hafiz made a tree, sir, and I myself made stars, sir.
Correct. You get 2 points as well.
Thank you, sir.
Super.
So,
this was one of my second presentations, and it was very interesting, sir.
right. Okay.
So
Fine. That comes to the conclusion of Ritan Nitish's hot chair. So, well done, Ritan.
Thank you, no. Thank you, sir.
Well
Thank you,
done,
Mitra.
very
Thank
well
you,
done,
sir.
Ritan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is how the CRS is standing right now. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mitra 681, 31 beyond the ceiling. So even if there is a penalty, that will keep them protected and safe. Kalpita 669, 19 above the ceiling. Dakshin 682, 32 above the ceiling. Sivyaditan 560, yesterday it was 555. Brinda 661, 11 above the ceiling. Vishnupriya 651, 1 above the ceiling. Asathaman 559. Today he participated twice, so the minus can be brought down to 12. So it's basically 564 and still target achievement 86. Mridubhashni 459 inclusive of the bonus. I will round it up to 460. Ritan Nitish exactly 300. So Ritan can be given a bonus with the point of joining only the 700th session within the short period of a week's time. He has really done well. So from 47, I'll make it 52. So 305. Sanjay is remaining with 152. Everybody has got their credit rating system scaled up in today's session in the Viva exam day 2, except Sanjay. So now, towards the end of the session, I'm giving Sanjay. Sanjay, you questioned the Vishnupriya, you questioned Asathaman, you questioned Dakshin. Now you can choose some people to question. That includes me too.
Sir, I choose Brinda.
Uday Sri Brinda, get ready for the question from Sanjay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can ask her.
Brinda, what is
Yes,
the best lesson? What is the best lesson you have ever learned in MS evening session?
Sir, can you hear my voice, sir?
Yes, you can go ahead.
So, Anna, the best lesson I learned from the MS evening session is actually each and every class night shows some learning. Now, the overall learning is we have to speak in front of our and whenever time comes, we have to say our opinion whenever the time now, and also we have to appreciate everyone now. Even they loses, we should not demotivate anyone. Now, we have to keep on appreciate them now, so that they will get some energy now. And from each and every activity, the memory power, the memory gain, these are all the thing I learned from each and every activity. Now, overall, I learned from MS evening session is to communicate. Now, communication skill have developed now, and also improvisation also now. And the best thing I was like from the session is the appreciation which I gained and I have given to many one now. So, and also respect now, when each one have said thank you, or each one have said something about me, the respect actually we have to give now. Actually, most of us have this respect in MS evening session now. And my most favorite teacher is Manikandan sir na. So I learned most from them. I hope to learn more from upcoming classes also now.
Thank you, Brinda. Thank you.
Welcome,
Well
sir.
done, Brinda. Well done, Sanjay.
Thank you.
Well done, Sanjay.
Very well done, Sanjay.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
So,
Ashwatthama.
Sanjay,
Thank you, Anna. So
Sanjay,
welcome.
can I
sir.
give mark for
Welcome, Anna.
Brinda?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So Sanjay Bhaskar gets 5 points for his question, and Brinda gets 3 points for her answer. Right, Sanjay, your next choice.
Mitra, sir.
Mitra Manikandan, get ready.
Yes.
If you want, you can answer this, or else I will ask another question, Mitra. What is your dream?
What is your dream?
Good morning, good afternoon. It's a very nice question. My dream is a pediatrician, to become a pediatrician. Initially, in my childhood, I wanted to become just a doctor. Then I had certain problems with it. There are certain confusions whether to become a pediatrician or a psychologist. I got this dream of becoming a psychologist only for the past 3 years now, from 2019 when I started attending these sessions but initially from the childhood, from I think it must be 5 or 6 years, I used to go anywhere with the doctors. I will do I do is one is teaching and the other thing is doctor. Now I have a red coat and I wear it. The sir bought me a white coat now for teaching. I had several dreams that I could go on. First was speech, and I used to feel shy at the time. Sir will be in his working room. My mom would be in kitchen and my grandma would be in her room. I will start teaching. I will take my old book and I will start teaching. Then I rejected that dream. Then I wanted to become a doctor and still now I am carrying upon with that. But the field is pediatrician now. So as of now, my concrete dream is I have to study. I have to become pediatrician by profession now. And I want to become psychologist by passion. I have to study psychology course, but I will remain as a pediatrician in profession now. Only mind psychology course now, both combining now.
Sanjay, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Mark கொடுக்கலாமா அவருக்கு?
கொடுக்கலாம் sir.
Thank you so much.
5 marks again for Sanjay and 3 marks for Mitra. Sanjay, who is your next choice?
Thank you, sir. Very well done, Sanjay. Now, very nice question now.
Thank you.
Your next choice, Sanjay.
Sir.
Yeah.
I ask you.
You'll ask?
You, sir.
Oh.
Enjoy, sir. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Sanjay.
Sir, how will you control your temper, sir?
What is my control weapon?
Control temper. How will you control your temper? Anger.
Super question, super. Sama question.
Sir, comment.
Sanjay, இவனுக்கு மாதிரி நானும் பேசுறேன். Well, nice question, Sanjay. Very nice question it is. இதுக்கு வந்து நான் என்ன சொல்றது? Sanjay, I still have anger management issues. I'm not a very good short-tempered controller. I would like to be very candid and be very honest with you. Whatever you are seeing, Dakshin sarcastically mentioned that sir will not get angry. But the point is, there is a difference between November 3rd, 2019 and May 28th, 2021. So, November 6th, right? November 3rd, right? So, actually speaking, November 3rd was the one and only moment when I started showing my anger to the MS evening session students. Mitra, Kirtana, Vedavarshan, Ajay Aditya and Nagulan. Anika. So they were there and I literally showed my anger, which made everybody cry. That was the first time I showed anger in MS evening sessions. That was very occasional. But after certain events, getting angry in sessions has become a regular event. கோவமே படாத நாள் அன்னைக்கு எல்லாம் வந்து கோவப்பட்ட நாள் ஆச்சரியப்படுற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. இப்ப கோவமே படாத நாள் ஆச்சரியப்படுற மாதிரி இருக்கிற மாதிரி இவனுங்க என்ன மாத்திட்டாங்க. Some people, a couple of people. அதனால இப்ப நீ என்ன பாக்குற அப்படின்னா மெடிடேஷன்லாம் பண்ணி கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணப்பட்ட ஆங்கர் இது. ஸோ நான் மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணாம இருந்தா நான் எப்படி இருப்பேன் அப்படின்றத நீ யோசிச்சுக்கோ. ஸோ I am actually having a very serious issue with my anger management. And to answer your question, I control my temper by doing meditation. I'm a regular meditation practitioner. I do it every single day. Till 2016, when I close my eyes, I used to meditate by having Lord Shiva's image. I'm an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva. And from 2016 onwards, my meditation is towards my dad, who left me. So, kanna moodna avargitta pesradhu dhaan enoda meditation. I have a photograph over here in the hall. I have a photograph on the table. So இது ரெண்டு தான் எங்க அப்பாவுடைய ரொம்ப முக்கியமான appearance. He goes very stylish with a sunglass and a white color shirt with a black color pant outside, and he wears a kind of a rectangle glass when he is at house. So இந்த ரெண்டு தான் அவருடைய total physiological appearance memory. அந்த ரெண்டோட photos நான் இங்க வச்சிருக்கேன். I'll send a snap to you over WhatsApp. இங்க இந்த கேமரால காமிச்சோம்னா அவ்வளவு தெளிவா தெரியாது. I will close my eyes and இந்த Ray-Ban glass போட்டு அவர் வர மாதிரி அவர்கிட்ட நான் பேசுவேன். சக்ஸஸாக இருக்கும்போது, சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லான விஷயங்களை பேசும்போது, இந்த ரெக்டாங்கிள் கிளாஸை போட்டு இருக்கிற அந்த இமேஜை வச்சு அவர்கிட்ட நான் சில ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு சில சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் கேட்பேன். இப்போ கோவிட்லேருந்து உலகம் மீளணும், எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு என்னோட சம்மந்தப்பட்ட ஆட்கள் யாருக்குமே கோவிட்லாம் வரக்கூடாது, அவங்க அதை மீண்டு வரணுங்கிறது என்னுடைய மெடிடேட்டிவ் ப்ரேயர். பட் அதையும் மீறி சில விஷயங்கள் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ எனக்கு ரொம்ப க்ளோஸ் ஆனவங்க லைக் ஆதித்யாஸ் மாம், ஷி பாஸ்ட் அவே. ஆனாலும் ஓரளவுக்கு ஒரு கண்ட்ரோல் ஷீல்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மெடிடேஷன் தான் என்னுடைய ஆங்கர் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் கண்ட்ரோலிங் மெக்கானிசம். அதை பண்ணியும் I have a very bad name at my house. My mom, Mitra's mom, Mitra. All these three people, they are afraid of me most of the time because I'm a brute when I'm becoming angry. And students in MS evening sessions are also afraid of me because of my anger. Hope that answers your question.
Thank you, sir.
Meditation, Sanjay. Meditation. Yeah. Meditation is the only way. It's a wonderful experience. It is indescribable. Meditation மாதிரி ஒரு அருமையான விஷயம் வேற எதுவுமே கிடையாது. நான் 20 நிமிஷமாவது 25 நிமிஷமாவது டெய்லி மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணாம இருக்க மாட்டேன். அப்புறம் கோல் மென்டல் ரிஹர்சல் வாய்ஸ்ன்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு என்கிட்ட. அதை நான் MS ஈவினிங் செஷன்ல இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். என்னுடைய கோல்ஸ் நேற்று கூட ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டேன் யூடியூப் சேனல்ல, அதை பத்தி வாட்ஸ்அப் ஸ்டேட்டஸ்ல இப்ப கூட லைவ்ல இருக்கு. நீயும் பார்த்தது? ஸ்டேட்டஸ்ல பார்த்தீங்க இல்லையா? அதுல நான் அவனை பத்தி பேசியிருப்பேன், மென்டல் ரிஹர்சல் வாய்ஸ். நம்ம என்னென்னவா ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்மளே வந்துட்டு ஒரு கோலா படிச்சு அதை வாய்ஸா ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி அது கூட பேக்ரவுண்ட் மியூசிக்கை போட்டு அந்த மாதிரி 1.25 மணி நேரத்துக்கு என்கிட்ட ஒரு வாய்ஸ் இருக்கு. அந்த வாய்ஸை நான் இயர்பீஸ்ல போட்டு கண்ணு மூடி கேட்பேன். நான் வேற ஒரு உலகத்துல இருப்பேன். அந்த வாய்ஸஸ்ல இந்த 18 வருஷமா நான் என்னென்னலாம் கற்பனை பண்ணணும் அது எல்லாம் லைஃப்ல எனக்கு நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ என் வாழ்க்கையில நடக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமும் நானா ஷேப் பண்ணி நானா கொண்டு வந்தது அது அந்த மெடிடேஷன் மூலியமா. And I want my child Mitra to do that. And I want my people in MS evening sessions to do that. So அந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதனுடைய கான்செப்ட் புரியும். இங்க ஏற்கனவே தக்ஷின் சித்தார்த்ல இருந்து விஷ்ணுபிரியா வரைக்கும், கல்பிதால இருந்து மிருதுபாஷினி வரைக்கும், மித்ரால இருந்து அஸ்வத்தாமன் வரைக்கும் எல்லாரும் அதை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. நீயும் பண்ணுவ. உனக்கு அதை நான் இந்த CRS எக்ஸாம் எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சோன்னு தெளிவா உனக்கு நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றேன். ஓகே?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Dakshin, what is it?
Sir, you explained about it on March 19th, sir, before Team Kirtna's Team Kavin, sir. You took this as the mentor support, separate video was there, sir. You spoke about
correct,
it. Correct. Yes,
Correct. Nice memory. Good job. So,
nothing, sir.
Nothing. சனிக்கிழமை 12:30 மணி ஆஞ்சநேயர் கோயில் திறந்திருந்ததுன்னா கொஞ்சம் வெண்ணையும் வடையும் வச்சிருப்பாங்க சுட சுட. இப்ப மணி 12:45 ஆகுது. வாங்கி தட்டுமா? ஓகே. Sanjay gets Sanjay, can I give mark for you?
Your wish, sir.
Okay, I have given a nice question and I am giving 10 marks for you. 31.
Super.
Okay.
Super.
Well done, Sanjay.
Sanjay இதுவரைக்கும் கேள்வி கேட்காத ஆளுங்க யாரு? சிவி ஆதித்தன்.
Sir, me, sir.
கல்பிதாவுக்கு சிவி ஆதித்தனுக்கு ஒரு क्वेश्चन இப்ப கேட்டறியா இல்ல மண்டே கேட்கலாம்?
I'll ask Monday, sir.
Right. Aswathaman.
Sir, even I surprise questions from Sanjay, sir.
So, Mirdubashni number 1, Sivi Adityan number 2, Kalpita Sri number 3, and Rita Nitish number 4. இன்னும் 4 பேருக்கு நீ question கேட்கணும். அதுக்கு மண்டே வச்சு. So,
okay, sir.
Monday we are having the final day of CRS, the final day of White House, and the final main performers are going to have their hot chair on Monday. Kalpita Sri, Dakshin Siddharth, and Mitra. Ready இருக்கீங்களா மூணு பேரும்?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kalpita Sri will have questions from June 2020. Dakshin Siddharth will have questions from Feb 17, 2020. Mitra will have question from February 28, 2019. That is the first day of MS evening session inception. இதுல அங்கங்க போனஸ் யாரெல்லாம் earn பண்ண முடியுமோ earn பண்ணிக்கோ. மித்ராவுக்கு கேட்கிற क्वेश्चंसல பிருந்தா மட்டும் தான் போனஸ் earn பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ண முடியும். Not even Dakshin Siddharth. But Dakshin Siddharth கேட்குற கொஷின்ஸில் சில கொஷின்ஸுக்கு விஷ்ணுபிரியா, கல்பிதா, பிருந்தா, ரித்தனிதிஷ் கூட ஏர்ன் பண்ண முடியும். கல்பிதா ஸ்ரீக்கு கேட்கறதுல அஸ்வத்தாமனை தவிர எல்லாருமே கேட்க முடியும், ஐ மீன் பண்ண முடியும், இது ஏர்ன் பண்ண முடியும். ப்ளீஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், நீங்க 3 பேரும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே சிஆர்எஸ்ல சீலிங்கை தொட்டவங்க. உங்களுக்கு சிஸ்டமே வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது என்னங்கிறத நான் இன்னைக்கு சொல்ல மாட்டேன். மண்டே டாஸ்க் ஷீட்ல வேணாம், அதுலயும் வேண்டாம், நீங்க வாங்க, நான் சொல்றேன். ஓகே
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, so we 3 are the first people who have reached the ceiling, sir.
இல்ல, சீலிங் ரீச் ஆகுது. நீங்க ஒரு क्वेश्चनக்கு மத்தவங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் பெனல்ட்டிங்கிறது 2, 4 அப்படி போச்சு. உங்களுக்கு பெனல்ட்டி அப்படின்னா 10, 12 அப்படி போச்சு. ஆமா
சார் கஷ்டப்பட்டு
வார்த்தைகளை கூட 2 ஒரே மாதிரி சொல்லுது. கஷ்டப்பட்டு, அதுவும் கஷ்டப்பட்டங்குது, இதுவும் கஷ்டப்பட்டது. சரி, எவ்வளவு வச்சுக்கலாம் நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க. மைனஸ் எவ்வளவு? If you are making an error, how much minus?
2 sir.
3 sir.
Albita?
100 mark per wrong answer, sir.
Sir, 10 marks. Fairly 10 marks, sir.
Sir, அசுத்தா வச்சுக்கோங்க. 20 marks கம்மி பண்ணிக்க.
அவனை விட மைனஸ் வாங்குனது அனுபவம் வேற யாருக்கு இருக்கு? அனுபவஸ்தான் பேசுறான். கல்விதா சொல்லுமா எவ்வளவு?
Sir, 2 marks is enough, sir.
Yes, sir, 2, 3, sir, 2.5, sir.
3, 5.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ஏய், நான் அசுத்தாமனே. இரு.
டேய், உனக்கு நான் தரேன்டா, நிறைய தரேன்டா. மைனஸ் தானே, 10, 15 வேணாலும் தரேன்.
டோர் கோடிங் சார் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா.
Okay, final. I should be fair. The highest penalty that I have given for a particular single person, Aswathaman, 20 ல ஆரம்பிச்சு இப்போ அவன் எஃபர்ட்ல 12 கொண்டு வந்திருக்கான். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு 3. If you are making an error, it will be 3.
Okay, sir.
What is the other question? Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
fine.
I'm having one question, sir.
Yes, go for it.
Sir, what is my target for CRS, sir?
What is that?
Sir, for me, what is the target for CRS, sir?
டே பஃபலோ பக்கத்துல எழுதி இருக்குல்ல, ஸ்கிரீனை பாரு பஃபலோ. ஆமா, அதான் ஒண்ணுதான் பாக்கி. இப்போ பாருடா, இங்க பாருடா, டார்கெட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் பாசிபிலிட்டி. இங்க என்ன எழுதி இருக்கு உன் பேருக்கு பக்கத்துல?
Sir,
எவ்வளவு எழுதி?
170, sir.
இதெல்லாம் பார்க்கவே மாட்டியா விளக்கண்ணு?
அவனுக்கு 475 தான் சார்.
உனக்கு வந்து 475, மிருதுபாஷினிக்கும் 475. மிருதுபாஷினி வந்து 475 பாயிண்ட் வாங்கினா she is also touching the ceiling அர்த்தம். ஆனால் 650 பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு இருக்கிற அளவுக்கு அவார்டு கிடைக்காது, பட் ஓரளவுக்கு கிடைக்கும். உனக்கும் அதே மாதிரி தான். ஏன்னா இவங்க 90 டேஸா ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறது மிருதுபாஷினிக்கு வந்துகிட்டு சும்மா வைல்ட் கார்டு என்ட்ரி மாதிரி உள்ள வந்துட்டு இமீடியட்டா கொடுக்கும்போது அப்படி ஃபுல் கிரெடென்ஷியல் வராது, பட் ஒரு டீசென்டான அவார்டு அப்படின்றது கிடைக்கும். அதுக்கு மிருதுபாஷினிக்கு இன்னும் 15 இருக்கு, உனக்கு 170 இருக்கு. பட் ஆக்சுவலா ஒரு அவார்டை கன்சலேஷன் அவார்டாவது வாங்குற லெவலுக்கு நீ ஆல்ரெடி வந்தாச்சு. 275 மேல தாண்டினாவே கன்சலேஷன் அவார்டுங்கிறது கிடைக்கும். நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, இங்க எல்லாருக்குமே அவார்டு கன்சலேஷன், செகண்ட் கன்சலேஷன் அவார்டாவது வர்றதுக்கு எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டீங்க. வர்றதுக்கு அவார்டுங்கிறது சுத்தமா கிடைக்காத ஆட்கள்னா அனாஸ், ஹாஃபிஸ், பாலாஜி. ஏன்னா அவங்க முக்கியமான நேரத்துல லீவ் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. பட் அவங்க ஸ்கோர்ஸ் அப்படியே ஃப்ரோசனா இருக்கும். அடுத்த சிஆர்எஸ்ல ஒருவேளை அவங்க அப்ப பார்ட்டா வந்தாங்கன்னா that average will be taken and carried forward. இப்போ சஞ்சியோட எப்படி அடுத்த சிஆர்எஸ்க்கு ஆவரேஜ் கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆகுமோ அதே மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆகும். எடுத்துக்கலாம். தக்ஷித் எப்போவாவது வந்தான்னா தக்ஷித்தோடது இங்க இருக்கிறது அங்க கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆகும், பாலாஜி கேரி ஃபார்வர்ட் ஆகும். பட் இங்க செஷன்ல இன்னைக்கு இருக்கிற ஆட்களுக்கு லாஸ்ட் சிஆர்எஸ் டே மண்டே. ஸோ மண்டே 6:30 மணி வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு டைம் இருக்கு. அதுக்குள்ள எவ்வளவு அடிச்சு தூக்க முடியுமோ தூக்குங்க. டியூஸ்டே அவார்ட் டே.
Okay, sir.
Dakshin, your hand is raised.
Sir, just one request, sir, if possible, you can do it, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. At least one mark or 2 marks for that memory addition, sir, if possible.
Which memory addition?
Sir, that 19th March, sir.
அப்ப நானும் நிறைய சொல்றேன், அப்ப எனக்கும் போனஸ் கிடைக்குமாண்ணா?
Okay, 2 marks, 117 in basic behavior. 115 to 117 get request. Right. Any other claims?
No, sir.
Why sure, okay, right. Any other claims by anybody else?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's it, okay, right. Fine, so we will meet on Monday. Take a day off tomorrow. நாளைக்கு credit rating system தோட update நான் அனுப்ப போறது இல்ல because you have already seen it. இல்லையா?
ஒரே தடவை எவ்வளவு மட்டும் காமிக்கிறீங்க சார்?
Okay, for one last time because tomorrow you are not going to have, you have seen the screen already, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down. 684 for Mitra, 669 for Kalpita, 684 for Dakshin, 560 for Sibiadithan, 664 for Brinda, 651 for Vishnupriya, 564 for Aswathaman, 460 for Mridubashni, 305 for Ratan Nitesh, and 172 for Sanjay. இதுதான் உங்களுடைய CRS score. Tomorrow there will not be any update that will be sent. Attendance, main attendance report போன வாரம் அனுப்பிட்டேன். So you are not getting any feed tomorrow.
உங்களுக்கு எந்த வேலையும் நான் பண்ணல.
இல்ல எனக்கு வேலை இருக்கு. நான் இது இன்னும் கன்சல்டேஷன் பண்ணுவேன். கடைசியில CRS 2க்கு வந்துட்டு புதுசா ஒரு கிரைட்டீரியா ஸ்ப்ரெட்ஷீட் ரெடி பண்ணலாம்னு இருக்கேன். அந்த வேலையை நாளைக்கு உட்கார்ந்து பண்ணுவேன்.
அமௌண்ட் செமினி ரெண்டாம் தேதி. அதுக்கு மேல நீங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டா சார். நாளைக்கு ஒரு நாள் மேட்ச் டெஸ்ட் எடுங்க சார்.
பார்க்கலாம். It's okay. So any questions before we leave?
Sir.
Vishnupriya, சொல்லு.
Sir, when will the for the attendance will it be revised for the persons who got 98, sir?
அதாம்மா மண்டே நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, மண்டே will be last day of CRS அப்படிங்கிறது கணக்கெடுக்கப்படும். அன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு you will have couple of marks added for attendance. Attendance வந்து 100% நினைக்காதீங்க. 105, 107 அப்படின்னு கூட போகும். இதுல எதுவுமே 100% அப்படிங்கிறது கிடையாது. So attendance addition will be on Monday.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, combined class, there are a few things. One, there is a guy called as Siddharth Saranakumar in US batch. He has his school till June 12th. அதனால அவன் மட்டும் வராம இருந்துச்சு. அதனால அவன் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் எல்லாரும் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணிங்கன்னு நான் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். அப்போ கிரண், பூர்ணா, விதாஸ்ரீ நீங்க எல்லாம் மட்டும் ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்கன்னு கேட்டேன். இல்ல எங்களுக்கு லீவ் விட்டுருக்காங்க, நாங்க 4:30க்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா நாங்க 6 o'clock 4 o'clock எந்திரிக்கணும், நாங்க இப்பதான் எக்ஸாம் முடிச்சிருக்கோம், நாங்க கொஞ்சம் தூங்குறோம் அப்படின்னு அந்த கிழவிகள் எல்லாம் சொன்னதுனால சோ அவதான் ஆரம்பிச்சா. உன் தங்கச்சி இருக்காளே அவதான் ஆரம்பிச்சா. அவளை சொல்லி வை, சார் when is the possibility of the coming class sir அப்படின்னா அவதான். அவளுக்காக இத்தனை ஏற்பாடு பண்ண பிறகு well sir one change sir I would like to have some enough sleep sir for the next 12 days sir until Siddharth joins sir அப்படின்ட்டா. ஸோ கொலவெறியில் இருக்கு அவன் மேல. ஸோ உங்க அம்மா கிட்ட சொல்லி விக்னிட்ட சொல்லி மிரட்டி வைக்க சொல்லு. ஒண்ணு ஒரு விஷயத்த சொன்னா அதுல தெளிவா இருக்கணும், இல்ல அதை பத்தி பேசக்கூடாது. சௌரியத்துக்கு அவ பாட்டுக்கு மாத்திட்டான். அதனால நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன்னா நீங்க வரவே வேண்டாம், 12ஆம் தேதி வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, அப்புறம் ஒரு முடிவு எடுத்துக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். ஸோ let's peacefully have our sessions till 12th. I'll peacefully conduct a session for them till 12th. இன்னைக்கு சித்தார்த் விஜயனோட செஷன் இருந்தது. சித்தார்த் விஷயம் ஜம்முன்னு நைட்டு ரொம்ப நேரம் வேலை செஞ்சுட்டு தூங்கிட்டான், மறந்துட்டான். விஷ்ணுபிரியாவும் வரல. விஷ்ணுபிரியா இன்னைக்கு அட்டன் பண்ண அவளுக்கு இருக்கு வேண்டாம். ஸோ ட்ரெயினரும் அப்படித்தான் இருக்கான், நான் ரெக்ரூட் பண்ண ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் அப்படித்தான் இருக்கு. தலதான் உருளுது. சரி, hope I have answered question for you then, Dakshin.
Yes sir, thank you so much sir.
Right, have a nice Sunday. Continue doing the therapies and live strong. So Sanjay, Mitra, Asathaman, Brinda, Dakshin Siddharth, Kalpita, Sibiadithan, Mridubashni, Ratan Nitesh and Vishnupriya. Keep shining, live strong. Have a nice day. See you on Monday. Bye.
Bye sir. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.